Alright, so a little different kind of video today. We're not in the Razor. It's currently down. Came out yesterday after we parked it the other day and started it up. It started rough. Through an engine code. It's got engine code 41051. We looked into it. It's pointing towards the tmap sensor. I got that on the way, but like I said, it's currently down and the fan stays on, and we'll show you the current state. So as you can see, I finally got it started, and I wiggled the wires. It didn't really make a change at all. Everything I've Googled and YouTube has led to the tmap. Most people have issues with the wires, but wiggled the wires, didn't make a change. So I'm thinking it's the sensor. Alright, update. I replaced this tmap. It didn't work, so I started to take this one off, and when I pulled the wire connector off, it had a little bit of condensation in it. So I'm thinking that's where my problem is. I'm gonna try to pull that out, see if it works. Alright, she's running. Turns out I blew out the connector and the sensor. Tried that, it didn't work, so I replaced it with the other sensor. Fired up, and we got no more engine light. We also got Razor 200 Carnage.